is from Auntie and Uncle Brian and Froggy and who else? Kyle.
Is that for me?
This one's for McKenna. Okay, this one's for you.
Wow.
What is that?
Holy smokes, that thing is full.
Huh?
This thing is full.
I know what it is.
What is it?
It's a track. Wow! What?
Let me see.
That's cool.
Here, show me.
What do you say?
Oh, cool, buddy.
Thank you.
What you got? There you go.
Oh, Mommy, the Hot Wheels.
Say,
Mommy,
isn't Christmas like in December?
I know.
Mommy, look. Oh,
What's that?
Mommy.
Who is that? McKenna, who is it?
Mommy, is this
Show me.
one's mine? It's Tinkerbell. Mommy, is this one for me?
Can you say thank you, Auntie?
It's Nerf, Mommy. It's Nerf.
Oh my gosh, is that what you've been...
Let me see.
Oh,
Show me, buddy.
Wow.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, no. Think we all better buy helmets, huh? Should we get our helmets?
Daddy, that's no helmets. What's that? Is there more for me? Like, Mommy, is this one's mine?
Yes, it is.
Oh,
McKenna, is that Tinkerbell? Oh, you gonna give Tinkerbell a kiss? Oh. She's all
What's in
picked
this
out.
one?
another box.
What is that, a box?
Another box for me.
Thank you.
Oh, Mommy, I think it has
What's that?
Oh, Tiaga,
What is it? Let me see.
I love the spider.
What is it?
Did you get her?
Oh, what is it? Let me see. Oh, is that a new? Is it a blankie?
A Halloween blankie.
Oh, you got a spider shirt?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. You can wear that to the pumpkin patch.
Mommy, I still got some more.
Halloween, yeah. Did you get
Mommy, is this mine?
Yeah, and what's this? Right here. What's that?
I know what this
Okay, let's
is.
see what else is next. You want to see?
What is it?
Halloween treats.
Oh my goodness.
Are you kidding me? Is that a box of like a million candies or what?
Look at
Oh, excuse you.
That's great.
Let me see, buddy. Open it. That might just be the box.
No, it's just. Is there more?
Open the box, baby. There's something in that box.
Tyler, open the Halloween
Go
box.
open it. Bring it here. I'll help you.
No, I don't need some.
What? Here, ready? Pull. Heart.
Okay.
What's
Let me see.
that? Auntie made you a special blankie.
Oh, cool.
Sing your song.
Mr. Tommy. Mommy, is this one's for me?
Yes, it is.
Mommy,
Okay, this one's for you. Right here, McKenna, this is for you. What a cute box.
I know what this is. It's a Hot Wheels.
It is.
How do you know?
Yes. Sister.
Aww. Look. Oh, this is adorable. That's perfect with those leotards. And her pink shoes.
She's all adorable. Let me see. Which one is it?
Adorable.
Hot Wheels.
Oh, cool.
Is that a present?
Mommy, is still more for me?
Yeah. McKenna? Oh, this is Mommy's. This is hopefully my ring that she stole. Okay, you need help with that? Okay.
Is that a present? Birthday present?
Wow.
Another Monster Truck.
Let me
Auntie
see.
and Uncle Brian and
me
Froggy
see.
and Kyle
Show me,
made
show
this
me.
like Christmas.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Thank you.
I know there's more here.
You guys are spoiled.
Mommy, is that McKenna's right there?
Yes.
Color.
Thank you.
Mommy, I'm gonna play with this.
You know what? We need to call Auntie and Uncle Brian and Froggy and Kyle and we need to tell them big thank yous for all this stuff. This is a ton of stuff.
What'd you get? An iPod or something?
I was gonna bring him back a monkey.
Sika.
Oh, what is that?
Should have seen it.
Oh my gosh.
Fishing.
A little spider monkey.
Mommy,
What is it, Kim?
What is that, buddy?
Here, baby. Look it.
Oh.
Mama, can you
Look
open
at
this?
McKenna.
Mama, can you open this for me?
Here, I'll open it for you.
Thank you.
And look.
Oh,
Oh gosh. Wow, Tyler.
wow.
Catch you guys later.
Show Papa Jewel. Say, come on over and check it out. Stand right over here.
Thank you.
Send them bags of CA and